For the last 4 years, a Bronx man has been serving his community, literally. Started a community fridge during the pandemic, stocking it fresh with produce weekly, and now he's asking his community to do their part.
Our News 12's Marissa Santorelli is speaking with him in Allerton about his efforts to make a change.
Take what you need, leave what you can. This is Ignazio Collado's motto. He runs a community fridge in Allerton.
This is something that I do from my heart.
4 years ago during the pandemic, Collado tells me he partnered with a local teacher to launch a community fridge on Fordham Road.
Because since everybody was scared, nobody wanted to come out to give food to the community. So the idea of the fridge was take what you need, bring what you don't need.
Collado has continued to stock the fridge weekly with fresh produce and prepared foods. He even hands out fresh bread every Monday.
I get a lot of fresh food out of this fridge all the time. It is like hot bread. As it comes, it goes.
As you can see, this fridge is relatively empty. Not much lines these shelves, but that's where you come in. Ignazio is asking the community to come on down, fill up this fridge, and do their part.
I ask the community to be part of this, to be volunteer. This is something for everybody here.
In addition to fresh food, Collado is asking for donations, help maintaining the fridge, and even needs someone to run their social media.
So I just ask people to come in and be part of this, because this is not for me, this is for the community.
Until then, Collado tells me he plans on continuing his work in the community to help those who need it most. In Allerton, Marissa Santorelli, News 12 The Bronx.
Marissa, thank you.